Hey there, DIY family! Welcome back to your channel name, where we tackle quick, easy, and budget-friendly home fixes. If you've ever had a wobbly, broken, or loose broom handle, you know how frustrating it can be. But don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's video, I'm going to show you some genius hacks to fix your broom handle in seconds, without spending extra money on a new one. We're talking duct tape, glue, even rubber bands, stuff you probably already have lying around the house. Because who needs a trip to the hardware store for a simple broom fix, right? Whether it's a loose connection, a cracked handle, or a completely broken broomstick, these simple DIY tricks will get your broom back in action in no time. You'll be back to sweeping like a boss in no time. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on easy home repair tips. Now let's fix that broom. Alright, before we break out the power tools and start gluing things together, let's take a minute to diagnose the problem. There are a few common ways your broom handle might have given up the ghost. First, you might have a loose handle. Second, you might be dealing with a cracked handle. And finally, the most tragic case of all, the completely broken handle. Don't worry, even if your broom handle is looking like it belongs in the recycling bin, we've got solutions. Once you've identified the issue, let's jump into the quick fix solutions. Okay, so your broom handle is giving you the slip, but don't worry, we've got 3 super fast fixes that'll have your broom behaving like a pro in no time. Method 1. The tape and grip fix. Grab some electrical tape or duct tape and sandpaper if you're feeling fancy. First, unscrew that rebellious broom head and give the connection point a good once over. Clean it up. Next, wrap that electrical tape around the threaded end of the handle. Twist the broom head back on, nice and tight. The added thickness from the tape is going to prevent any future slip-ups. Method 2. The glue job. Apply a small amount of glue to the threaded or insert area of the handle. Screw the broom head back on before the glue dries. Hold it in place for 30 to 60 seconds. Method 3. The rubber band. Hack. Wrap a thick rubber band tightly around the base of the broom handle. Screw the broom head back on over the rubber band. The rubber band creates friction, preventing any unwanted movement. Alright, so your broom handle has a crack in it. We've got 2 easy fixes that'll have your broom handle feeling brand new in no time. Method 1. The duct tape wrap. Clean the cracked area. Wrap heavy-duty duct tape tightly around the crack. Wrap multiple layers for extra strength. The duct tape acts like a splint, holding the crack together. Method 2. The hose clamp and epoxy reinforcement. Apply epoxy glue inside the crack. Position a hose clamp around the cracked area and tighten it down with a screwdriver. Let the epoxy dry for at least an hour. The epoxy glue creates a strong bond while the hose clamp provides external support. It's like giving your broom handle a steel exoskeleton. Okay, so you've got a completely broken broom handle on your hands. We've got 2 solutions that are surprisingly easy, and will have your broom handle feeling brand new in no time. Method 1. The wooden dowel reinforcement. Find a wooden dowel slightly smaller than the inner diameter of your broom handle. Measure and cut it to size. Make sure it fits snugly inside the handle. Apply wood glue inside both broken ends of the broom handle. Be generous with the glue for a strong bond. Insert the dowel into one half of the broom handle, then slide the other half onto the dowel. Ensure it's aligned properly. Drill 2 or 3 small pilot holes through the handle and into the dowel. Screw in your screws to secure the dowel. Method 2. The PVC pipe sleeve. Grab a short piece of PVC pipe slightly wider than your broom handle. Measure and cut it to size. The pipe should cover the break completely. Apply epoxy glue inside the PVC pipe. This will ensure a strong hold. Slide the PVC pipe over one end of the broken broom handle, then line up the other half and slide it into the other end of the pipe. Make sure it's tight. Secure the PVC pipe in place with zip ties or screws. This will keep it from moving. The PVC pipe acts like a splint, providing support and preventing any future bending or breaking. It's like giving your broom handle a suit of armor. Now, your broom is ready for action again. Alright, so we've covered how to fix pretty much every broom handle disaster known to man. But you know what they say? An ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. First things first, store your broom properly. Look for wall hooks or racks designed specifically for brooms. This will keep your broom off the ground, preventing any accidental bending or breakage. Next, be gentle. Sweep with smooth, even strokes to avoid putting unnecessary stress on the handle. And finally, let's talk about reinforcements. Wrap heat shrink tubing around high wear areas. Slide the tubing over the handle, hit it with a heat gun, and watch as it shrinks to create a super strong protective layer. Follow these simple tips, and you'll be well on your way to a long and happy relationship with your broom handle. Regularly inspect your broom handle for any signs of wear and tear. Clean it and apply wood polish to keep it in top shape. Always store your broom in a dry place to prevent moisture damage. Happy sweeping. And just like that, you now know how to fix your broom handle in seconds. No need to spend money on a new one, just use these quick tricks and extend the life of your broom. Who knew a simple broom could teach us so much about resourcefulness and the power of a little DIY magic? Which fix worked best for you? Did you come up with your own ingenious solution? Let me know in the comments below. I love hearing your creative problem-solving ideas. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another home repair hack. And remember, a clean house is a happy house. Thanks for watching and happy sweeping. See you in the next video. In this chapter, we'll explore some advanced broom handle repair techniques that can save you time and money. Stay tuned for some expert tips and tricks. Gap 2S. First up, let's talk about using fiberglass resin to reinforce a weak handle. This method is perfect for those who want a long-lasting solution. Simply apply the resin around the damaged area, let it cure, and sand it down for a smooth finish. Your broom handle will be stronger than ever. Gap 2S. Another great technique is using a metal sleeve. Cut a small section of metal pipe that fits snugly around the break. Secure it with screws or epoxy, and you've got yourself a virtually indestructible broom handle. Gap 2S. Lastly, for those who prefer a more high-tech solution, consider using a 3D printed brace. You can design a custom brace to fit your broom handle perfectly. This not only fixes the break but also adds a unique touch to your broom. Gap 2S. There you have it. With these advanced techniques, you can extend the life of your broom handle even further. Which method are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more home repair hacks. Thanks for watching and happy sweeping. See you in the next video. Welcome to Scene 9. Now that we've covered advanced broom handle repair techniques, let's dive into some common mistakes people make when fixing broom handles and how to avoid them. These tips will ensure your repairs last longer and are more effective. First, one of the most common mistakes is not cleaning the broken area properly before applying any adhesive or reinforcement. Dirt and debris can prevent the adhesive from bonding well, leading to a weaker repair. Always clean the area thoroughly with a damp cloth and let it dry completely before proceeding. Next, using the wrong type of adhesive can be a big issue. Make sure to choose an adhesive that is strong enough for the material of your broom handle. For wooden handles, wood glue works best, while for metal or plastic handles, a strong epoxy adhesive is more suitable. Another mistake is not giving the adhesive enough time to cure. Rushing the process can compromise the strength of your repair. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for curing times and resist the urge to use the broom until the adhesive is fully set. Additionally, failing to reinforce the repair properly can lead to repeated breaks. Whether you're using a metal sleeve, fiberglass resin, or a 3D printed brace, make sure the reinforcement is securely attached and covers the entire damaged area. Lastly, over-tightening screws or fasteners can cause further damage to the handle. Tighten them just enough to hold the reinforcement in place without cracking or splitting the handle. By avoiding these common mistakes, you'll ensure that your broom handle repairs are strong, durable, and long-lasting. Got any other tips or tricks? Share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more home repair hacks. Thanks for watching and happy sweeping. See you in the next video.